I got a comment on a video recently, and I understand the feeling. I know what you're talking about. This is from the record selector, and they basically say that free shipping has tanked their Etsy shop, and they used to have a lot more sales, and now eBay and other places that they sell are doing much better than Etsy. But because they put so much time and effort into Etsy, they don't want to leave and close completely, but they say that selling on Etsy has become a chore and that it leaves them with a bad feeling. And they also say that they don't think it could get any worse. So look, if it's that bad, and I put this in the answer to the question, but if it's that bad that you really feel like Etsy is a chore, it leaves you with a bad feeling, just put your shop on vacation. Don't completely shut it yet. Put it on vacation, walk away, and see how you feel. Because if it can't get any worse, vacation mode isn't going to make it any worse. And vacation mode isn't a shop killer, but it will take away the recency part of the Etsy search algorithm. So if Etsy doesn't have that information, it might hurt you in search placement a little. But again, you said it can't get any worse. So what I would do is put my shop on vacation and focus on the things that are actually making you money. Because if Etsy is not making you money and it's a chore and it's difficult and you're tired of playing the Etsy game, and if that's what Etsy feels like to you and you have other places where you're selling that are doing better, put your shop on vacation, walk away and see if it makes you happy, or if you think that you've made a huge mistake, you can always come back. And the thing that you said about you've put so much time into it that you don't want to lose that, that's lost. That's gone. And there's a thing called the sunk cost fallacy, where people say, I don't want to walk away because I've put so much work into this. But that is gone. That's sunk cost, and that's either money or effort or time that you've spent on something. It's gone. You can't get that back. So don't worry about it, because the worst thing that you can do is to keep going and waste more of your time and more of your money and not get anything back for it. And that's worse than, you're just compounding what you've been doing in the past. If you really feel like you've put a lot into it, but it's not getting you anything, then just stop putting stuff into it. Okay, take a break, walk away. That's when you should stop Etsy, when it makes you feel sick, when it's a chore, and when you're putting stuff in and not getting stuff out. Take a break and see if that helps. Leave me any questions, and I will talk to you later.